तो तुम्हें टाइटल देख के तो समझ में आ ही गया होगा, दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू क्लिक्ड ऑन येट अनदर वीडियो दैट टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन। अब इस वीडियो से पहले तुमने बहुत सारे वीडियोस ऑलरेडी देख लिए हैं ऑन यूट्यूब अबाउट हैक्स टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन, टिप्स टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन, easy way to make money online, making money online without any skills, blah blah blah, right? This video is not going to be about that. अगर तुम्हें टिप्स चाहिए, अगर तुम्हें हैक्स चाहिए, इस वीडियो को बंद कर दो, यूट्यूब पे स्क्रॉल करो, तुम्हें बहुत सारे बढ़िया वीडियो मिल जाएंगे विद प्रॉपर एडिटिंग, विद प्रॉपर टाइटल्स, विद प्रॉपर थंबनेल्स, ठीक है? दिस वीडियो इज नॉट फॉर यू. दिस इज फॉर द पीपल हु आर रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड द फंडामेंटल्स, बिकॉज आई लव टॉकिंग अबाउट फंडामेंटल्स एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर द पीपल हु आर रियली सीरियस अबाउट मेकिंग मनी and are actually ready to be disciplined about it, are ready to play the long game and are not chasing any shortcuts whatsoever. So without wasting any time, let's dive deep into it. तो यार देखो, आज मेरा काम है इस वीडियो के थ्रू तुम्हें बताना एक फ्रेमवर्क जो तुम आज अगर अप्लाई करोगे देन nobody can stop you from making 8 lakh rupees per month, right? You can say $10,000 per month, 8 lakh rupees per month, whatever you want to, but nobody can stop you. But you just need to apply the fundamentals, and you need to apply these fundamentals for long enough. If you want to make it work, if you want that it works for you and you start making 8 lakh rupees per month when you have never made a single dollar online, in next 2 months, it is not going to happen. You will fail. It's a big disclaimer for this video. If you are not ready to give yourself enough time, you will not be able to make money that you saw on the title and for what you are here to watch this video. So you need to understand that making money online is not rocket science, okay? There are a lot of people out there in the world who does this, so you can as well, right? So you need to fix your mindset, okay, if other people are making money, I can make that amount of money on internet as well. But the reason why you're not making money till this point is because you're not ready to self-improve. Your mindset is spoiled and you are just not ready to learn new skills every day. That's the reason why you have never been able to make money online successfully and consistently if you're already making some amount of money. So you need to understand there are only 4 parts of making money online, at least when you are trying to get yourself into service business. I'm going to talk about service business. Some of the concepts that I talk about in this video are also going to be applicable to, different sort of businesses as well. But I'm going to be particularly talking about service business. So if you really want to start a service business, which I highly recommend you do, because it is the lowest barrier entry business that you can start as a beginner. You do not have to invest any sort of money. You can just learn skills, provide those skills to the marketplace, and you can earn money out of it. तो देखो, पहली चीज जो तुम्हें समझनी है ना when it comes to making money online, that you do not have to make the entire process complex. You're not making $500,000 per month or $1 million per month, and you're trying to find all the advanced concepts in the internet. Those concepts and those advanced tactics just make you feel good and doesn't bring you any results. And there is a reason behind it, because when you are going from $0 to $10,000 per month, which is 0 to around 8 lakh rupees per month, you don't need the tactics that would take you from $20,000 per month to, let's say, $50,000 per month. So you need to apply the fundamentals. You need to focus on fundamentals. And when it comes to building the service business, number one thing that you need is one offer. तुम्हें एक ऐसा ऑफर चाहिए जो मार्केट की कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता हो. बहुत सिंपल है, इसको बहुत सिंपल रखो. What is that one thing, the easiest thing that you can learn today that market would pay you money for? ठीक है, अब वो स्किल कुछ भी हो सकती है. You can learn any skill. It can be writing, video editing, graphic designing. It doesn't matter what that skill is. If that skill is valuable in the market and people are ready to pay money for that skill to you, you will be able to make money using that skill. Now the idea is to package that skill into an offer. तुम्हें उस स्किल को एक ऐसे पैकेज के अंदर बंद करना पड़ेगा that it sound desirable to people, it look desirable to people. Nobody want to buy a product from the market and supermarket which is not packaged properly. So you need to package the skill that you have, but you just need one offer. You just need one skill. लोग क्या करते हैं, random marketing agency start कर देते हैं and they are like, we'll do Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, SEO, and we'll do everything, and then they fail because you cannot do all the things in the market when you're just starting out. You need to pick one skill and you need to start with that, and you need to build a really good offer around it. Offer is basically packaging of the skill. So you need to tell people, okay, who are the type of people you are going to help, what that skill is, what the problem you are going to solve, and you need to package your skill in a way that it becomes desirable. You just need single offer. Do not complicate it. Number 2 is you need one traffic source. अब अगर तुम्हारा ऑफर रेडी है, then all you gotta do is you need a traffic source. One and only one traffic source is enough to take you from $0 to $10,000 per month. You do not have to do Facebook ads, Google ads, and email marketing and cold outreach, DMs, cold emails, and everything all at once. You can pick any one traffic source and it is going to be more than enough for you to start your business online and for you to start making money in the online ecosystem. So to start with, अगर तुम beginner हो और तुम start कर रहे हो, तुमने आज तक पैसे नहीं कमाए और you do not have enough money to invest in bringing traffic to your offer, start with cold outreach, okay? तुम कोल्ड ईमेल्स कर सकते हो और तुम कोल्ड डीएम्स कर सकते हो. डीएम्स के लिए सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स तुम्हारे लिए फ्री हैं. गो टू ट्विटर, गो टू लिंक्डइन, गो टू इंस्टाग्राम, wherever you want to, and start reaching out to people with the offer that you have. Or you can get the emails from internet using different tools there are on the internet. I'm not going to talk about the tools because for the people who really are willing to execute, they can find tools on Google just by a simple search, right? So if you're looking for tools over here, this video is not for you again. But the idea is that you need to start with cold emails and DMs because they do not take any upfront investment and you do not have to invest any money or learn any skill. You just need to learn how to reach out to people and how to talk to people in a nice way so that they reply back to your emails. And with the introduction of ChatGPT के बाद तो यार तुम just ChatGPT से पूछ सकते हो, write me a cold email trying to sell my graphic designing services to startup founders, whatever it might be, depending upon the people you are trying to reach out to and the service you are offering. You just need a good cold email, good message, refine it and reach out to people. That's going to be your one traffic source. So you need one offer, you need one traffic source, and the third thing is you need to learn sales. If you're unable to sell what you have built, if you're unable to sell your product or service to the market, it doesn't matter how good your product or service is, nobody is going to buy it because you're just not good enough. You do not have enough skills to convince someone to buy the product and the service that you have. And that is why you need to learn sales. You need to learn how to create offers, you need to learn how to bring traffic, and you need to learn how to sell. If you can do these three things, I can assure you, I can promise you that if you do it for next 2 years, nobody can stop you in getting clients, high ticket clients that pay you $2,000, $3,000 per month, and nobody can stop you from making money online. But the reason why you would quit and you will never be able to do it is because you want to create an offer and you want that first offer that you have ever created in your lifetime to work. It's not going to happen. You'll create one offer, it will fail. Then you'll create 4 more offers, they are going to fail. Then you're going to create 5 more offers, and then they are going to fail as well. And in the journey of creating failed offers, you will learn how offer creation works. You will learn how people think. You will learn how to persuade people. So there is this journey of you picking one thing, learning new things, failing at it again and again, and then coming up with insights which will eventually help you succeed in the online ecosystem. Majority of the people ना online ecosystem में अपना business इसलिए ही नहीं बना पाते हैं और वो बस videos देखते रह जाते हैं YouTube पे on how to make money online because they do not give themselves enough time. They do not allow themselves to fail again and again and again and again. वो एक बार फेल होते हैं उन्हें लगता है कि सब कुछ खत्म हो गया और सब चीजें डाउट करने लग जाते हैं उन्हें लगता है कि this doesn't work, this is all just scam, right? It doesn't work like that. अगर तुमने आज तक एक ऑफर नहीं बनाया तो you don't know how to create an offer. You don't know how offers are prepared. You don't know how to create offers that people will buy. So you need to create multiple offers. And same concept applied to traffic as well. If you've never bought a single person to your website in your entire life, do not expect to bring thousands of people on your website as soon as your website was built. It's not possible. You need to learn how to write cold emails. You need to learn how to follow up properly. You need to learn how to optimize cold emails. You need to learn how to automate your cold email process so that you can send cold emails and DMs in volume. You need to keep that in your mind. Please keep that in your mind if you really want to make money and you want to go from $0 to $10,000 per month in next 1 year or so. It's just going to take you more time than you think. अगर तुम सोच के बैठे हो कि मैं 6 महीने में इतने पैसे कमा लूंगा, it's not going to happen. It's probably going to take you a lot more time. It's probably going to take you a year, 2 years, maybe 3 years if you don't know anything about the social media ecosystem. So if you're just starting out, if you don't know anything about social media and you're just getting excited and you're jumping on your couch by looking at a, video by, let's say, online gurus on how to make money online quick and you're getting excited, I don't know. You can get excited. It's a good thing to happen to you because now you're inspired to actually at least take action. But do not expect from yourself and the world around you that you will be rewarded in next 2 months and next 6 months. That's not how it works. The amount of money you make in the online ecosystem most of the times is directly proportional to your self-improvement and the mindset you have. If your mindset is spoiled, if you're not ready to learn every day, if you're not ready to fail, get back up again and start things from scratch again, you are not going to make that money because you don't deserve it yet. You don't have enough skills that you deserve to make that money. So you need multiple iterations in creating an offer, you need multiple iteration in bringing good traffic, and you need multiple iteration in learning sales. अगर तुम किसी का sales call पे आज तक नहीं गए हो, then you will never be able to close the client. You need to do 50 failed sales calls, and then maybe after that you will be able to close some calls, and maybe after that you will be able to close some clients, right? So all I'm saying is don't rush it, right? It's a gradual process. It is the process of constant learning. It is going to take you some time, right? जो तुम्हें इंस्टाग्राम पे और यूट्यूब पे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि तुम फटाफट पैसा कमा सकते हो, ये साइड हसल कर लो, इतने पैसे कमा लो, अमीर बन जाओ, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें पहले ही बहुत सारी चीजें पता है और तुम एक डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो, देन दीज वीडियोस कैन हेल्प यू टू टेक अ गुड डायरेक्शन एंड कैन हेल्प यू टू गिव दैट क्लैरिटी दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक मनी फास्ट. बट यू आर स्टार्टिंग आउट, तुम्हें कोई स्किल ही नहीं है, कॉलेज में तुम अभी तक लॉन्डो के साथ अपनी बकचोदी कर रहे थे, तुम्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं है कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, और तुम बोल रहे हो कि मुझे पैसे कमाने. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट, राइट? तुम्हें कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी खुद की लाइफ की, तुम्हें खुद को रोज इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा ताकि तुम नई चीजें सीखो और उन चीजों को तुम ऑनलाइन अप्लाई कर सको. एंड देन यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड बाय द वर्ल्ड, यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड बाय द मार्केट प्लेस, बिकॉज यू विल एक्चुअली बी एबल टू ब्रिंग वैल्यू ऑन द टेबल फॉर पीपल. एंड दैट इज हाउ यू गेट क्लाइंट्स. एंड द फोर्थ थिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इन बिल्डिंग एन एजेंसी और बिल्डिंग अ बिजनेस दैट मेक्स यू 8 लाख रुपीज पर मंथ इज डिलीवरी. अभी तक हमने बात की क्लाइंट साइन करने की. नाउ अनदर थिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज डिलीवरी. तुमने कुछ प्रोमिसेस करें अपने क्लाइंट्स को, अगर तुमने साइन कर लिए हैं तो always deliver on those promises, because if you are not going to deliver on those promises, number one, they are not going to trust you again, they won't refer you any other client in the future, and you will lose confidence in your own skills. So do everything you need to do to bring those results that you promised to your clients with your services. And if you can do these 4 things, my friend, I'm telling you today, just do it for a year, and after a year or so you will realize that things have started falling in a place, right? The puzzle is forming that makes sense for you right now. I have been doing this from last 2.5, 3 years, and still I get confused at days. Still I sit down with myself, pick a pen and write whatever comes to my mind on a paper to get clarity about whatever I'm doing. So do not expect from yourself, because you're just going hard on yourself, right? Go hard on execution, do not go hard on outcomes. If you are going hard on yourself about the outcomes that you want to achieve and you are very lazy in the execution, you are not going to reach to that milestone that you set for yourself. So go hard on execution, be patient with the timeline that you are giving yourself to reach the goals that you have marked for yourself. And if you can do that, you will be able to make that 8 lakh rupees per month mark, जिसके वीडियोस इंटरनेट पे पूरी दुनिया बना रही है. मैंने भी बना दिया, तुमने क्लिक भी कर लिया, तुमने देख भी लिया, राइट? इसके बाद भी अगर तुम हैक्स और टिप्स की वीडियोस देख रहे हो तो I think I just failed at my job in creating this video. But anyways, अगर तुमने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है तो मुझे कमेंट्स में लिख के बताओ 8 lakhs, ताकि मुझे पता लग जाए कि तुमने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है, and I can create more videos like this in-depth content for you every week. Subscribe to the channel if you're watching me for the first time. Press that bell icon ताकि तुम ऐसे वीडियोस हर हफ्ते मिस ना करो. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.